In front of me is OnePlus CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can apply iOS Launcher. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called OS 18 Launcher. It has to be from It has to be from Launcher Studio developer. When your app is ready, open it. Hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue. Then tap on Continue again and tap on while using the app in the first pop-up and allow in all the other ones. Then select Close. Manage all of those options however you want to, if you want to, and tap on Set as Default. Lastly, to apply your launcher, just click on it and wait. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you want to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going back to Launcher app, tapping Set as Default and choosing System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!